right. It took a little bit of figuring out with the language barrier. The doorman didn't quite understand what I was asking to do, but then once he understood that I wanted to take a video of a ride on the elevator, he was like, oh, yeah, sure, go ahead. Well, in Spanish, but anyway, society, interesting. But then up here it says Cornelio Bloch.
Gracias. ¿A qué piso va?
6.
No, no, yo voy antes.
Ah, necesito hacer un piso antes. No puede selectar más de uno.
Ah, no, no.
Ah. Tengas una buena noche.
Igualmente.
This is the original logic, I think. Oh. Whoop. Did it close all the way? I thought it didn't shut all the way. Original logic. Wow. Whoa. We're gonna take one more ride. All right. Hopefully, we're gonna make this really quick. Oh, it needs time to reset. And then, oh, here is the panel. This was replaced. Look at that. So cool. Anyway, that will be it.